मेरा मानना ये है that this whole concept that has come from the West, whether it is Father's Day, Mother's Day, Rose Day, Chocolate Day, पता नहीं कितने हजार दिन होते हैं.
Too many.
I think we should celebrate people.
I just see one kind of post on everybody's LinkedIn, which is hashtag CFBR. I don't know what is this. If you can just highlight.
Sure. CFBR is commenting for better
Better
reach, right?
Okay.
लेट्स से अगर आप जाके अपने बच्चे का एडमिशन करा रहे हो कोई कॉलेज में और अक्रॉस क्राइटेरिया दे गॉट वेरी गुड स्कोर्स, प्लीज गो टू दैट कॉलेज,
Okay.
go there, interact with the faculty, interact with the senior batch, have food in their canteen.
कंपनी अक्सर एक परफेक्ट फिट कैंडिडेट ढूंढती है. ये परफेक्ट फिट होता क्या है?
आपने सवाल ही ऐसा पूछा कि
आई एम श्योर आप भी ढूंढते होगे.
नहीं, मैं नहीं ढूंढता और मैं विश्वास भी नहीं करता इस चीज में.
रियली?
Yeah, because there is nothing called a perfect fit.
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू एचआर स्कूप. आज का ये एपिसोड बहुत ही खास होने वाला है क्योंकि मैं आज एक ऐसे एचआर इन्फ्लुएंसर लीडर को लेकर आ रही हूँ मुंबई से, जो ना कि सिर्फ एचआर हैं, एक टेडेक्स स्पीकर भी हैं. लेट मी वेलकम मिस्टर साहिल. हाय साहिल, विश यू वेरी वेरी हैप्पी इंटरनेशनल एचआर डे
Thank you so much,
एंड
Deepika.
वेलकम टू एचआर स्कूप.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me over.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू. सबसे पहले मैं ये जानना चाहूँगी, आपने एचआर स्कूप को यस क्यों बोला? आई मीन ऑल टुगेदर कमिंग फ्रॉम बॉम्बे टू इंदौर जस्ट फॉर अ शूट.
देखो, सच बात बताऊं तो आई लव सपोर्टिंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स.
वाओ.
यू नो, एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना आजकल के ज़माने में स्पेशली आफ्टर कोविड इज़ नॉट इजी. और जब कोई इंसान कुछ अच्छा करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, उनके साथ जुड़ने में अपना ही मज़ा है. एंड आई मस्ट से आई लव द पैशन विद विच यू रीच्ड आउट. I could see a lot of sincerity and commitment for the kind of cause because of which you're doing HR Scoop. And then, to be very honest with you, जब महाकाल से बुलावा आता है तो मना नहीं कर सकते, तो उज्जैन तो जाना बनता है.
अरे वाह, हम आपको ज़रूर लेके जाएंगे उज्जैन. ग्रेट. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग हियर एंड ऑन अ वेरी स्पेशल डे. आज ये भी मुझे आपने ही बताया कि आज इंटरनेशनल एचआर डे है. सो इट्स अमेजिंग. अगर मैं जानना चाहूँ हु साहिल, सो आप बताएंगे क्या?
ये मतलब आपने बहुत ही एक एग्जिस्टेंशियल क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया. यू नो, हु इज साहिल?
साहिल है कौन?
साहिल है कौन? मैं भी वो फिगर आउट करने की कोशिश कर
दो
रहा
यू आर वेरी फेमस.
हूं. हाँ, नहीं. आई थिंक फेमस इज व्हाट द वर्ल्ड मेक्स यू. दुनिया आपको फेमस बना सकती है, दुनिया आपको बेकार बना देती है, तो दुनिया बहुत कुछ कर लेती है. एंड आई थिंक एज लॉन्ग एज वी आर अवेयर ऑफ दैट एंड वी डोंट लेट इट गेट टू आवर हेड, आई थिंक वी कैन लिव अ गुड लाइफ. बट आपने पूछा, दो अच्छे सवाल पूछे. एक इंटरनेशनल एचआर डे, उस पर मेरे थोड़े से थॉट्स हैं, और दूसरा साहिल कौन है. I think International HR Day is celebrated today, the day we're really shooting this. And मेरा मानना ये है that this whole concept that has come from the West, whether it is Father's Day, Mother's Day, Rose Day, Chocolate Day, पता नहीं कितने हजार दिन होते हैं.
टू मैनी.
I think we should celebrate people
करेक्ट.
and not days. Days will come and go, you know. And maybe the Western concept is such because you have to take time out to do a certain thing.
ट्रू.
You know, आपको साल में एक दिन अपनी मम्मी को बाहर ले जाके खाना खिलाना पड़ता है, उसको आप मदर्स डे बोलते हैं. बट अगर आप अपनी माँ के साथ हर दिन अच्छे से व्यवहार करो, उनके साथ अच्छे से रहो, you treat them well, you make them happy, I think for them every day would be Mother's Day.
मदर्स डे. परफेक्ट.
And therefore, HR as a fraternity needs to be recognized a lot more and needs to be celebrated a lot more. I think people do a lot of great work,
Correct.
but maybe they shy away from coming on HR Scoop. Maybe they're not very comfortable talking about the great work that they're doing. And therefore, hats off to you and the entire team
Thank you.
that is giving people an opportunity and a platform to talk about the work that they're doing in HR. And I think not just HR, but many other service lines, functions need to not be so self-critical. And at the same time, they need to celebrate the good stuff that they're doing. I think there'll be a lot of goodness in the world. Coming to Sahil, I think जब मैं पैदा हुआ था, थोड़ा मैंने होश संभाले, मैंने मम्मी से पूछा, मैंने कहा ये नाम किसने दिया मुझे? क्योंकि you know, by the time you get to 5-6 years, दुनिया आपको एक लेबल लगा देती है,
करेक्ट.
राइट, कि आप ऐसे हो या आप वैसे हो. सो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल वुड आस्क मी, क्या आप मुस्लिम हो? एंड आई वुड से, आप जानते नहीं मुझे, यू डोंट नो हु आई एम, we've hardly met, and the first question you ask me is, am I Muslim? And they said, no, no, but Sahil is a Muslim name.
Okay.
And I said, Sahil is a Muslim name.
No.
So even I was like, really? I know a lot of my friends who are Sahil and they're Gujaratis.
Yes.
But my bigger question is, how do you associate a name with a religion?
Very
Right?
strange.
But that's the way society is.
Yes.
So I asked my mother one day, I said, ये साहिल नाम रखा किसने? And then she told me the whole story, but I won't bore you with that story. But fast forward, I think I'm still figuring out who I am, because जैसे कहते हैं ना, when you arrive at a destination or you've arrived, तो मेरे को लगता है वो फिर life complete हो जाती है. We all are arriving.
Okay.
We have not yet arrived. So I'm also figuring out who Sahil is. Every day is a new learning experience. It is a new opportunity to meet different people like yourself.
Thank you.
And get to know more about yourself. So Sahil is work in progress.
Oh, lovely. So work in progress करते करते आपके LinkedIn पे 70,000 followers हो गए, and that too, I found you very active on LinkedIn. So that's the reason is 70K followers, or maybe जो work in progress आपने बोला, that's the
Right.
reason.
So I would say, yes, Deepika, you're right. It is 70,000 and counting.
Yes.
So it's still counting. And I think it's work in progress. I think I joined the journey very late. I think I started off on LinkedIn, opening my account very early. But जो LinkedIn का content होता है, all the professional content, मैं Facebook पे डालता था.
Okay.
And I didn't know why. But I was very, very active on Facebook. And Facebook at that point of time had only 5,000 friends.
Okay.
So जब मेरे 5,000 friends हो गए थे, I opened a second Facebook account.
Only 5,000.
Only
Okay.
5,000. And then a third Facebook account when I touched around 11, 12,000 friends. ਫਿਰ LinkedIn started picking up, and that was the time when I said, hey, this is a new platform, it's more professional, it's aligned to the stuff I'm writing. I should write. At beginning में, to be very honest with you, I used to write to build my own personal brand. मैं चाहता था कि लोग जाने कि साहिल कौन है, साहिल किस चीज के लिए खड़ा हो रहा है, किस मुद्दे के लिए स्टैंड करता है.
Wow.
And over the years, I think what became very, very powerful is when I started networking with people genuinely.
Okay.
And पहले तो डोपामीन आता था कि आप एक पोस्ट डालो, लाइक्स आते हैं, कमेंट्स आते हैं, वायरल हो जाता है पोस्ट, बहुत खुशी मिलती है. But then as you grow in age, you also realize that all of this is very momentary.
True.
Very grateful, I'm not taking away from that, but आपको उतार चढ़ाव से थोड़ा सा एक बैलेंस आ जाता है.
True.
और उस बैलेंस में आप सोचते हो और अपने आप से एक सवाल पूछते हो. You ask yourself a very fundamental question. Why do I get up every morning to do a post on LinkedIn?
True.
People ask me that question differently, saying, Sahil, how do you get the time?
Yes.
And my answer to them is very simple. You have the time to brush your teeth, right? आप 5 मिनट लगाते हो अपने टीथ ब्रश करने में, मैं 5 मिनट में पोस्ट लिख देता हूँ.
Wow.
Right? And that's my answer to it, saying that if you want to make time for something, you make time for it. Then there are no excuses. But if you don't want to do something, you can have 100 excuses that will come in not to do something. I found my true purpose on LinkedIn when a lot of students, a lot of young professionals started reaching out asking for help,
Wow.
saying we are stuck. It's my first job and my boss is very toxic. Sahil, I'm sharing this with you in confidence. Can you please help me?
Wow.
Sahil, I have topped my college, but I'm not getting a job of my choice. Sahil, my dream company is Google. I know you got an offer from Google. Can you teach me how did you clear their multiple rounds of interview?
Wow.
Right? तो इस तरह से लोग मिलते गए. I reached out, some people reached out to me. तो लोग जुड़ते गए और कारवा बनता गया. That's how it's 70,000 and counting. And today, while I'm very grateful for the number, I think it is a number.
Okay.
For me, the real moment of truth is the amount of people that I can help
Yes.
by putting the spotlight on them, by helping them with their issues and their challenges.
Wow. Because most of the time I just see one kind of post on everybody's LinkedIn, which is hashtag CFBR. I don't know what is this. If you can just highlight.
Sure. CFBR is commenting for better
Better reach.
reach, right? So उसमें क्या होता है? The LinkedIn algorithm works that it's like first connection, second connection, third connection. So if I comment on your post, all my connections can see that, right?
Okay.
And therefore it gets amplified. Now, I see a lot of people doing this, and I have two thoughts in this. One, I see a lot of people doing it because they say, अरे वाह, ये देखो ये पोस्ट पे ना 4,000 लाइक आ गए हैं, 2,000 कमेंट्स हैं, तो अगर मैं करूंगा ना, लोग मेरा प्रोफाइल भी देखेंगे, they will see it and they'll want to follow it.
Correct.
So they have an ulterior motive. Then there is the other end of the spectrum where someone has lost a job, or someone has a good skill set, or someone has worked with someone, and then they say, commenting for better reach, so that if my network has a
Can-
need and you need a job, let me help the two people get connected.
Wow.
But my perspective on this is CFBR is not enough.
Okay.
If I know Deepika and Deepika is searching for an SME or Deepika is searching for an expert, can I just think for 5 minutes who is the person in my 70,000 people who I can tag
Tag.
and say, hey, you know what? We were talking on the weekend that you were looking for some assignments. Deepika has an opportunity. Connect the two of you,
Wow.
or at least tag that person. Now, that is where I am taking genuine interest in Deepika's request, in that person's request who says, boss, I'm looking for some assignment. Because just saying CFBR is being helpful, but not going the extra mile.
That's not going to give you like followers as well as good networking.
Yeah, and it's not being a genuine connect.
Correct.
See, if I know my 70,000 people really well, and if I've had that moment of truth, or if I've connected with them, I would be able to really help significantly. But if I haven't, then it's just a number, but not quality connections.
Wow. Hey, I just got an update from my digital marketing team. Like, you have been awarded as top 50 HR leader in 2024.
Kuch bhi.
Really?
Mazak kar rahe ho aap.
No, I'll show you.
When
Just
did
look
this
at-
happen?
Look at this.
Hey.
Congratulations.
Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you. This is such a pleasant surprise.
How lucky HR Scoop is.
I know, of course. Why not? I told you ना जब बुलावा आता है तो सब अच्छी चीजें होती हैं.
Wow, congratulations. It's
Thank
a
you.
really great news. So you applied somewhere for this?
No, I didn't.
Then what is this? Like,
So this organization runs this thing every year
okay.
where they track HR leaders.
Okay.
Yes, and what they do is they actually see how are you engaging with your followers, what's the content that you're putting out, on what topics are you talking about, and most important, how is the LinkedIn algorithm
Okay.
working in your favor or not in your favor?
Okay.
In terms of engagement, in terms of impressions.
Okay.
And they monitor this for the entire year. And then they publish a list for HR leaders to follow so that the rest of the world, if they don't know people, they can follow.
So it's like top 50 HR leader across the
Yes.
across
yes,
globe.
Yes.
Oh my God, it's really amazing. It's a pleasure for us to have you here, and it's today's 15th shoot of the HR Scoop, and the top 50 leaders is here.
No,
with
thank
us.
you. Thank you for having
Great.
me. But I accept this award with all humility. But at the same time, I think it is a huge responsibility as well. क्योंकि जब आपको एक ऐसा अवार्ड मिल जाता है तो बहुत लोग आपको देखने लगते हैं. A lot of people start following you. Expectations
Just
go
high,
up even
high.
higher. Even
Yes.
higher. So there
It's
is
too
a
high.
responsibility on your shoulders
Correct.
to ensure that you live up to those expectations.
True, true. आपने टॉप 50 HR लीडर का स्टोरी बताया. I really liked it. I mean, it's a good initiative, and people are, definitely लोगों को काफी benefit होगा. When they will come to know they are in your list being a top 50 HR leader. But मुझे एक doubt है. What I personally feel is award is a business now. So is it like everything is paid? I also get a lot of notifications, Women Achievers Award, under 40, under 30, as well as colleges, institutes also gets, ranking based on paid ranking. कंपनी गेट्स लाइक पेड रैंकिंग, सो लोगों को कितना आप कैसे उस बेसिस पे आप चार्ज कर रहे हो, एंड डोंट यू थिंक सो इट्स रॉन्ग?
देखो अभी ये आपने जो सवाल पूछा ना, ये मुद्दे वाला सवाल पूछा, मजा आ गया,
ठीक है।
बिल्कुल मजा आ गया, क्योंकि you've touched upon a topic which is so prevalent in these times and also so unethical.
True.
But the way you called it a business, I really liked it. अभी धंधा है, धंधे में तो सब चलता है. I'll tell you, I've received an email that you can decide the name of the award. आप अपना अवार्ड जो अपने आप को देना चाहते हो, आप उसका नाम डिसाइड कर लीजिए.
करेक्ट।
आप हमारे स्टूडियो में आइए, हम आपका फोटो शूट करेंगे और आप ये लीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर के फ्रंट पेज पे रहेंगे. ओनली 10 लाख रुपीस. कैन यू बिलीव इट?
आई कैन।
इट इज नॉट इवन फनी, इट्स अ बिजनेस.
यस।
एंड इफ यू एंड आई नो इट, आई एम श्योर द होल वर्ल्ड ऑल्सो नोज इट.
ट्रू।
But come to think of it, Deepika, and this is my submission. Award तभी बिकेगा जब कोई खरीदने वाला होगा.
करेक्ट।
If there are no buyers, how will it sell?
See,
So there are buyers.
yes.
There are buyers. So there are buyers who are willing to build their brand based on this business. Coming to your second question, is it right or wrong? I think it's a very personal choice.
True.
There are a lot of people who do it.
Yes.
And there are a lot of people who say, please, they write back. And I know friends, I know a lot of people, a lot of colleagues who have written back to say, can you please tell me the criteria basis which you have shortlisted me for this award?
Of course.
Who is the jury? What is your selection criteria? और फिर कोई जवाब नहीं आता. Right? But come to think of it, in all of this, today's world and today's people are so intelligent that in 5 minutes they can figure out whether it's a paid award or it's a genuine award.
Of course.
Right? For 2-3 reasons. Reason number one, whenever it is a genuine award, you will see a very, very strong process.
Yes.
Not just the process, but even auditing of that process by an esteemed organization. You will also see that the jury members are of a certain level of credibility.
True.
You will also see that even the best of people who might have applied for that award did not get that award because they didn't meet the criteria. Right?
Correct.
And therefore, some awards are very prestigious.
True.
They are very aspirational. सब लोग चाहते हैं कि मेरे को ये मिले.
चाहिए.
And the second, ये पेड अवार्ड है, आपको पता है यार, इसके तो आजकल, अच्छा तूने 5 लाख दिए इसके लिए, बट ये तो 3.5 लाख में मिल रहा है.
Yes, yes.
तूने ज्यादा पैसे दे दिए. तो ऐसे भी जोक्स चलते रहते हैं. Coming to the third part where you said about colleges, educational institutions,
Companies too.
companies also do it on various platforms to attract talent by getting their own employees to write good things, by getting others, and these very subtle ways of doing it. But I personally feel that the litmus test is going and testing it.
Okay.
Let's say अगर आप जाके अपने बच्चे का एडमिशन करा रहे हो कोई कॉलेज में और across criteria they've got very good scores, please go to that college.
Okay.
Go there, interact with the faculty, interact with the senior batch, have food in their canteen and test it out. सिर्फ ऑनलाइन देख के आजकल तो ऑनलाइन स्कैम में लोग डिग्री कर रहे हैं, आपको पता है? People are doing certification courses in how to do online scams. That's the way the world is heading. People want to make fast money.
Yes.
So I would say, old school, go to that college, test it out, and decide for yourself. And the last part I want to share on this is technology is in the center of everything.
Yes.
I'm on a jury of a certain awards, right?
Okay.
And I've been on their jury for a couple of years. I made a recommendation to them this year.
Okay.
I said, please leverage artificial intelligence to send me a report on every person who is applying for this award.
Wow.
Every person who is applying for this award, do a social media profiling.
Okay.
Do a check on whatever they have mentioned in their submission, is it factually correct or not?
Wow.
Do a secondary research. And all of this, AI and deep engine can actually go and search and give you the results. and then tell us how much of it is correct or not correct. It makes my job as a jury member even more easier.
True.
So I think we should leverage technology as well to figure out how much is genuine and how much is fake.
Because then there will not be any value to reward and recognition.
Right?
अगर वही पेड हो गया तो फिर
बात ही क्या रही?
बात ही क्या है?
It's the same thing like we say, right? Doctors, lawyers, teachers, very noble profession.
Yeah.
अब इसमें ही अगर स्कैम हो जाए तो
हो
आपका तो
रहा है।
विश्वास exactly
हो रहा है.
आपका तो विश्वास ही उठ जाएगा ना.
No, it's happening.
Correct.
I've seen
Yeah.
lot of we talked about institutes.
Yeah.
बच्चों को तो लगता है ये टॉप रैंकिंग कर रहा है.
Correct.
हाँ, वो पैसे देके एडमिशन ले लेते हैं.
True. So please do your own homework, do your own research, and testify for yourself before you actually go and believe anything that the show world shows you.
Last question, just to add this, like the certification which is going on recently, great place to work, safest place to work, or lot of certifications. These are also paid or like.
See, Deepika, it won't be fair to generalize, right? Because there are different bodies doing different kinds of things. My limited point is that whatever it may be, as long as there is a defined process, as long as there is some authenticity, as long as there is a certifying body of repute that is certifying that this is genuine,
Okay.
please watch out for such things. Otherwise, anybody can create any institute overnight, a fictitious thing, and you will buy into it and it will be dangerous. So please do your homework.
कंपनी अक्सर एक परफेक्ट फिट कैंडिडेट ढूंढती है. ये परफेक्ट फिट होता क्या है?
आपने सवाल ही ऐसा पूछा कि
आई एम श्योर आप भी ढूंढते होगे.
नहीं, मैं नहीं ढूंढता और मैं विश्वास भी नहीं करता इस चीज में.
Really?
Yeah, because there is nothing called a perfect fit. I'll give you a personal anecdote. बहुत लोग मेरे को पूछते हैं कि आपकी अभी तक शादी नहीं हुई, आप क्या वो परफेक्ट गर्ल ढूंढ रहे हो? तो मैंने कहा नहीं, it's not that. It's just about the person who you vibe with, right?
Correct.
And that's important. हर एक कैंडिडेट में एक आपको 100% टिक मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे.
True.
और अगर आपको लगेगा कि आप वेट करते रहेंगे तब तक तो धंधा आगे निकलता जाएगा. So I think what you need to do is very clearly understand what are the must-haves and what are the good-to-haves,
Okay.
right? So what are the must-haves? उसमें तो बिल्कुल compromise नहीं होना चाहिए. And what the good-to-haves are, उसमें 19-20 होगा तो you should be okay with it. Don't keep waiting for that perfect candidate.
When I see the JD, it's everything must have. They mention like everything
Correct.
you should have.
Correct.
So why?
I think the style of, and that's my personal view, but the style of writing JDs is very outdated.
Actually.
Very, very outdated. मतलब उसमें जितना भी डालना है लोग डाल देते हैं, then you can't really match everything. So I think there's a very significant need to make JDs also very, very specific.
Okay.
So that you exactly know what you want. You're very, very happy with certain level of competencies. And अगर ये है तो ठीक है, नहीं है तो हम ये कम से कम सिखा सकते हैं. पर अगर आप perfect candidate का वेट करोगे तो आप वेट करते रह जाओ.
True. As I can see, like you are perfect fit for marketing, and how come you shifted into HR? Not shifted, basically you joined HR.
Yes, I did. So, in fact, if I take you back to my childhood, right, I grew up seeing my dad commanding a lot of respect as a dentist. So, he is an oral, maxillofacial, and dental surgeon. And whenever patients would walk in and they would say, Dr. Saab, ye, wo, thank you so much, dard theek ho gaya, and all of those things. And I said, boss, बड़े बन के है ना, डैड की तरह बाजू में एक और चेयर डाल दूंगा, वैसे इतने पेशेंट्स हैं तो लाइफ सेट हो जाएगी. When I completed my 10th standard, I got some 80.5 and I told my dad, now I'll have to take science because मेरे को तो डॉक्टर बनना है, डेंटिस्ट बनना है. My dad sat me down and said, I want to talk to you. And I said, यार क्या बात है, मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया मुझे करना है. She said, see Sahil, if you take science, you will be among the lowest in the batch. क्योंकि बाकी बोर्ड एग्जाम्स में सबके पास 98, 99 वो लोग साइंस लेते हैं, right? And you're going to be like 80. So you'll be the lowest in the batch. That's one. Second, after you finish your studies, you will still start with zero.
Okay.
Because you will have to start your own clinic, or if you put another chair, you'll have to build your entire clientele. And third most important thing that he said that really changed my mind. He says, हमेशा ना आप चाहो या ना चाहो लोग आपको डॉक्टर नायर के बेटे के नाम से ही जानेंगे. तो जब तक आप अपनी आइडेंटिटी बनाओगे, खुद की आइडेंटिटी साहिल नायर, आपको 10-20 साल चले जाएंगे. So are you okay with that? And that made me think, and I said, nahi yaar, let me take commerce. Because if I take commerce, I'll be the topper in the batch, 80%, I'll do well. When I finish my studies, I'll get a good job, I'll start earning from day one. I'll not need to build an entire practice. So I said, okay, so I did commerce, I did BMS from HR college. And as you rightly said, my interest was entirely in marketing. और पता है आज तो इतना एजुकेशन अवेलेबल है यूट्यूब से सीख सकते हो यहाँ से वहां से आई ऑलवेज थॉट मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्स इज द सेम टू साइड्स ऑफ द सेम कॉइन
Really?
Yeah, I always thought
I
that.
just randomly said like
So I always thought that there are two sides of the same coin. And मैंने कहा यार मार्केटिंग करेंगे because I'll get to meet people, go to different places, get to travel. तब बच्चे थे तो यही लगता था कि अच्छा. Then when I passed out, I asked my professor. I said, sir, I liked marketing and I like HR as well. What should I do? So he says, see, in marketing, your customers, your clients will be external. In HR, you will have customers and clients, but they will be internal. They'll be your employees, right? But the fundamental difference between the two is take HR only अगर आपको दूसरे के खुशी में खुशी मिलती है.
wow.
So if you can feel happy when someone else is happy, only then take HR. Otherwise, you can take marketing.
Super.
Also, in HR, you can reach out to so many hundreds and thousands of people, whether they are candidates, whether they are employees, whether they are alumni. आपका एक बहुत reach बढ़ जाएगा.
True.
And I said, that's exactly what I want to do. And that's how I got into HR.
Super. आप एम्प्लॉयज़ की खुशी की बात कर रहे हैं और मुझे लगता है एम्प्लॉयज़ ही ऐसा बोलते हैं कि एचआर को कोई काम ही नहीं होता है. आपके पास क्या काम है मैडम? आपके तो मज़े हैं, बढ़िया है, आप तो कैंटीन, आप घूम रहे हो, हम लोग काम करते हैं. सो मैं बहुत सरप्राइज होती हूँ ऐसे स्टेटमेंट सुन के, सीरियसली, बिकॉज जेन्युइनली आई वर्कड सो हार्ड फॉर एचआर.
Correct.
सो व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन दिस?
See, I think this comes from two things.
या
One is the perception about the function, right? And maybe some people have a role to also contribute towards that perception. And second, I think is also the lack of awareness and appreciation of what HR does.
करेक्ट.
तो एक perception बन गया यार कि HR तो रंगोली बनाता है,
Yes.
right? या सॉन्ग एंड डांस, हम तो यहाँ बैठ के काम कर रहे हैं, HR बोला चलो चलो एंगेजमेंट एक्टिविटी के लिए चलो, right? या फन फ्राइडे कर लो या whatever. And the second is because I don't know what HR does, my interaction with HR is very limited. I'm not able to appreciate the amount of hard work or effort that is
Correct.
done by the HR function.
राइट.
So these are the two reasons why I believe that people don't really look at HR the way they should. Fundamentally, if you really want to build that sensitization in people, I think HR leaders have a lot of stuff that they can do,
True.
right? To my mind, I've done 3 degrees. One is MBA in HR, which is my core in HR. Second, it is very, very important to know the law of the land. I've done my LLB,
वाओ.
right? And third, which is the most powerful, is psychology. Getting into the mind of someone. Just imagine if I can look at you right now and tell you exactly what you're thinking. Would you not respect me even more?
It is dangerous.
It's dangerous, right? So how do I not make you feel intimidated,
Yeah.
but still tell you I have a skill where I can be a mentalist and I can get into your mind and tell you what you're thinking.
Correct.
And then not use it to your disadvantage, but use it to your advantage.
Wow.
And even teach you that skill. Then you'll say, wow, साहिल के पास एक स्किल है, साहिल मेरे को वो स्किल सिखा भी रहा है, HR कुछ ना कुछ काम करता होगा.
बट इतनी सी सारी डिग्रीज लेने की क्या जरूरत पड़ गई आपको?
देखो ये आपने एक फिर से बहुत अच्छा सवाल पूछा. When I was growing up, I had this huge sense of inadequacy.
ओके.
कम पढ़ रहा था यार. ग्रेजुएशन कर लिया, BMS फ्रॉम HR कॉलेज, नहीं मेरे को लॉ पढ़नी है, चलो लॉ कर लेते हैं.
ओके.
MBA किया HR में, नहीं नहीं नहीं, मेरे को मार्केटिंग भी करनी है क्योंकि मेरा शौक मार्केटिंग में है, तो आई नीड अ PGDBM इन मार्केटिंग।
वाओ।
फिर लगा यार सब कुछ तो अभी थोड़ा बहुत कर लिया, बट साइकोलॉजी नहीं आती है, सो लेट मी डू सम सर्टिफिकेशंस इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग हाउ द माइंड वर्क्स, लेट्स डू सम ह्यूमन लैब्स। तो कुछ ना कुछ करते कहना है ऐसे, एवरी डे इज अ लर्निंग प्रोसेस। सो आपके पास डिग्री हो सकती है, बट अगर आप उसको अप्लाई नहीं करोगे वो डिग्री कुछ काम की नहीं।
ट्रू।
And you may have a lot of experiences with no degrees, which is also okay. I know people who have just one degree, but their exposure and experience is so much that they are very, very rich as human beings. So degrees are not important. What is important is have one degree, which is a qualifier, and then of course build your experience.
So you was working, or first you took all the degrees and then you started
No, no,
working?
no. I keep learning while earning.
Wow.
Yeah.
So first job was into HR only.
Yes.
So can I have just some kind of experience into first job, how you applied and
Well, I must tell you this, right? So, in fact, one of the organizations when I joined, uh, I joined in and I was taken to a very, very small room. And in that small room, there were a heap of papers. And I was told, Sahil, all of these papers are there, and these are the employee files. आपको ये सारे papers जिनके पेपर है उनके फाइल में डालना है।
okay.
CV, background check, उनके educational certificates, passport, Aadhaar, whatever, whatever. And I thought to myself, मैं कहाँ आ गया? What am I doing? What the hell am I doing? मतलब I've done my MBA and I am made to do this job. This is not why I have really joined this company. I had two choices. The first choice, I could have quit and left. Easiest thing to do, right? But I said no. किसी ने तो कुछ सोच के दिया होगा, भले ही कोई छोड़ के गया होगा, उनका बैकलॉग होगा, या किसी ने अपना काम नहीं किया होगा, या वर्क प्रेशर ज्यादा होगा, या टीम नहीं होगी, but they hired me. I said fine. Deepika, you won't believe it. I built a skill when I was doing that, which is called as photographic memory.
Wow.
I would see the CV, I would see अच्छा इनके hobbies क्या हैं, family में कौन कौन है, and I would put it in the file. See the CV, read it, put it into the file. See the CV, put it into the file. And I did this for 6 months.
Same job.
Same job. Trust me, I was frustrated. I actually learned today, if you were to put an A4 sheet paper into a file, आप कैसे एकदम perfect डालोगे उसको बताओ मुझे?
Like I'll just pull up the file and then
पंच कैसे
punch it.
करोगे? कैसे करोगे?
दोनों पेपर को फोल्ड करके
Correct.
and then yes.
So when you fold it, you get that center
You get
line,
the line.
you get the punch in, you match it, you punch it, and then you have the ring holes.
Rings.
Yeah, ताकि वो paper फटे ना.
Correct.
I did that for 6 months. But trust me, when I went onto the floor and I started interacting with employees, I would say, "Oh, why? Hey, Rohan, how are you doing?
Wow.
Rohan, do you still go swimming?" And look at that, how does he know that I swim?
Connect.
CV. And I built the best friendships and the best friends just by knowing those touch points. So,
Wow.
कोई भी काम बड़ा और छोटा नहीं होता है. It's how you really pick up the best out of it to make a difference.
Okay. जैसे हॉबीज की बात की आपने कि रेज्यूमे में आपने उन्हें हॉबीज देखा एंड यू नो जस्ट कनेक्टेड विद पीपल.
Right.
So I have seen one video, like I was just going through your profile and is biking or something. ये कैसे आप टाइम निकाल लेते हो इतना सारा वर्किंग के साथ, एंड दैट टू इन बॉम्बे
Yeah, yeah.
जहाँ वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता है.
Correct. No, I think this whole concept of work-life balance is पूरा झूठ है ये, ठीक है? मतलब लोग कहते हैं work-life balance करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. I think what I would call it is as work-life harmony.
ओके.
आप दोनों को साथ में रख के कैसे उसको हार्मोनाइज कर पाते हो, दैट इज द ट्रू एसेंस. ऑफ कोर्स लाइफ इज बिजी, इट्स हेक्टिक, बट यू गोटा टेक टाइम आउट टू डू थिंग्स दैट कीप यू अलाइव.
करेक्ट.
You got to take time out to recharge yourself so that when you go back, you have your full energy in place. And I think biking gives me that.
Wow.
Right? Bullet और मैं, हम दोनों साथ साथ निकल जाते हैं और पहाड़ों में निकलने का अपना ही मजा है. So the
Wow.
Manali Leh highway is a road I would recommend to everybody who has not been on that road. Please try and get onto a Bullet, or if you're not a biker, get onto a car. But explore that terrain. India is truly beautiful.
ब्यूटीफुल. बट प्लीज जिसको बाइक आती हो वही जाना,
नहीं तो गाड़ी में चले जाना।
गाड़ी में चले जाना है। ओके ग्रेट। सो लाइक यू आर लाइक सक्सेसफुल कंसल्टेंट टू, ये कंसल्टेंट बनने का कहाँ से आपका ऑल ऑफ सडन लाइक बीइंग एन एचआर? सो
Yeah. So I think, see, what ends up happening is I've been very, very lucky to look at various parts of HR. So मैंने talent acquisition भी कर लिया है, L&D भी कर लिया है, I've headed HR also for a service line. तो मैंने अलग-अलग चीजें करी, and in all of this I realized that the crux is to be able to understand what is the problem, be able to craft a solution around that, and more importantly, to ensure that the person for who's having that problem is happy or has found a solution for it, right? मोटा मोटा ये तीन चार चीजें ही हैं, और जो भी उनके ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हैं वो अचीव होने चाहिए,
ओके
which leads to happiness. And I think whether it is for internal employees or it is for clients, ultimately, if you're able to unearth the problem very well and the various tools and techniques that you can do to understand that, the second is to be able to understand the context in which they operate.
ओके
उनकी क्या सिचुएशन है, उनके क्या सर्कमस्टांसेस है, उनके क्या लिमिटेशंस है, कंपटीशन क्या कर रहा है, उस हिसाब से उनको क्या करना चाहिए to sustain being a market leader, so on and so forth. And then ultimately, not just give an idea, right? You also got to execute that idea and execute it to their satisfaction
ओके
so that the results are achieved. और अगर आप ये सब कर लो, you can be a good consultant.
सुपर, आई विल ट्राई।
I'm sure you're already one. You're partnering with so many organizations, so
Thank you.
you're already one.
आई एम श्योर आपको ये पॉडकास्ट देख के बहुत ज़बरदस्त मज़ा आया होगा, क्योंकि मैं हंस हंस के लोटपोट हो गई। इट वॉज सो फन इंटरेक्टिंग विद मिस्टर साहिल। इट विल बी वेरी वेरी यूजफुल फॉर each and everyone because we have talked about students, working professionals, as well as about the posh, diversity, inclusion, and many more things. I'm sure you will enjoy it. Stay tuned with HR Scoop. Thank you.